Hey guys, it's Get Ready With Me. I haven't done this in a while, but I'm back with it. So today, in like 30 minutes, I'm going to a market that opened up really nearby. I've never been there before, but it's like, it looks super cute. I'm like so interested. I'm ready to spend money there, but I'm in a little rush. And then after that, I have dinner with the girls, and then we just have a night to just chit chat. So let's get ready for that. So before I get into it, I do have some YesStyle unboxing to do. So let's open it up in case I have any products I want to use today. Oh my gosh, guys, they had crazy sale going on a few weeks ago. So guess what I got? I got this. And it was so cheap. I think it was like half the price or something, so I had to get it. Booster Pro Case, restock on Uno Cleanser, face mask, daily face mask. I'm so excited for this one because I've been wanting to try this one. I love their toner pad, like one of the best ones I've tried. But let's see how their masks are. Restock on Cutting Jelly, BT Eye Cream, Access Y Eye Serum, Custom Color Corrector, restock on Magic Sealer. If you don't have this and your eye makeup is always smudging, this is all you need to fix that problem. I feel like this is really not hyped. Like, it's so good. Why are nobody talking about it? Restock on Medicube Pore Pad, and I got clothes. I kind of want to see if I could wear any of those for today, but I already picked my outfit, but I'll think about it if I have time. And you guys already know I do have my discount code for YesStyle, so go ahead and do your shopping. Anyway, she only has 20 minutes to go, so okay. Today's gonna be like pretty simple makeup. One of these three I'm debating on. Girl, you don't have time to debate. You just need to go. I'll go with Skin to Fit today. I hate when I have to put makeup on when I'm like sweating. If you guys follow me on social media, you guys know that I really like this foundation. Like, the coverage is there, it's really light, it smells good. So I've been using this one as a daily. I'm not gonna try too hard to cover everything up. It's just one layer and I'm good. Also guys, at the market today, there's tooth gem. I never thought about getting a tooth gem before because I thought it was like whatever. I didn't think it was like too cute. And it said it's only like $25 or something, so low-key tempted. I know my friends want it. So I'm debating if I should be a YOLO today or just stay calm. Guys, this is a blush that I've been loving so much, especially this shade. I think it goes really well with my skin tone. Okay, let me zoom you in. You're a little too far. But guys, today's a very abnormal Saturday for me because I usually just stay home and just work. But this morning, I went hiking. That's very unlike me. If you've been following me for a while, I vlogged my first hike ever and it was just terrible, and I said I'm never gonna go hiking again. But I went today. It was really like mild though. It was almost just like a walk. But it felt so nice, and I think I'm gonna go next week too. But yeah, I'm a changed woman. I've been walking 30 minutes a day. You might think like, Elaine, that's so little. But guys, I only walk 300 to 600 steps a day because I'm just home on my desk literally the whole day. Well, thank God I have stairs at home, so I get like a little bit of exercise. But the consequences has been creeping up, so I'm like, no, I gotta exercise somewhat. And I'm gonna mix and match with this color right here. This combination is so cute, guys. This one a little bit more focused in the middle. A little bit like an under triangle. Gorgeous. Joa, what do you guys think? You know, these days I've been wondering, like, do I have any Korean viewers here? Like, if you're Korean, please let me know. Because I feel like I rarely cross paths with like Korean viewers. Or even viewers from Brazil. Like, are you guys there? Because I've been wanting to make more videos talking in different languages, but I'm just like curious if you guys are even there. Because it makes sense because I do all my videos in English, so like if you don't know English, you're probably not watching this. Or are you? Are you watching in subtitles? Okay, anyways, why am I okay, girl, you need to hurry up and get ready. I just showered, but I feel like my hair is gonna get so, I don't know, flat. Actually, okay, let me check this real quick. How is it? I don't like it. But it'll die down very soon because my hair's still kind of wet. My volume is voluming. Isn't it kind of crazy? Because I got a haircut recently and I always ask her to get me a lot of volume. And she does a great job. Guys, my hair's flat. My hair is straight. I don't have a lot of hair. Everybody always asks me how I get so much volume and if they want tutorials. Guys, I'm so sorry. I just woke up like that. I woke up like this. But anyways, if you're curious, you could DM me if you're like in the OC LA area. But I like my makeup like this already, but we need eyes. I think I like my under eyes just blink like that, maybe just glitter. Let me go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna use this one right here. And I really like this one, especially the color too. Okay, but I'm sweating, hold up. Boom, color is beautiful. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the Guys, do you guys see K-pop Demon Hunters? I watched it 5 times because I loved it so much. And I love the Golden and the Soda Pop song, but it pisses me off because I really want to get the high note, but like I just can't. But it's like so unsatisfying. I want a little bit of blush on my eyelid, but not the cream one because I'm gonna put other powders. So let me go ahead and put a different blush. It's so hot. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, guys. Oh. Today's eye makeup is gonna be really, really simple. Let's go ahead and put on a thin eyeliner. And now I'm gonna let it dry first. Cause you know, like it's gonna fold and it goes everywhere. Okay, I just followed out my natural eye shape. Eyelash heater. If you're the one that complains that your eyelashes don't curl well or it doesn't stay well, you need this one. This helps a lot. I know it's really dirty, but excuse me. Thank you. Now from here, I want to have a transition eyeshadow with my eyeliner. Let's choose a color for that. I think I'm gonna go with my usual. Let's get it. From here, I'm just gonna thinly just outline the eyeliner with that eyeshadow. Just like that. Oh my gosh, my eyes just look so much bigger, huh? Now the last step, let's go with the lip liner. You know, I used to like never put lip liner, but now I never do not put lip liner. I want to match it with my blush, so I'm gonna go back to that pink blush and do it on my lip. And I'm gonna second layer with this one. The red looks crazy, but it doesn't come out like that. Anyway, let's take this out now. Oh yeah! Let me go ahead and put this guy again. So as you already know, I have this top going on, but I just have like sport shorts. I don't know what to wear for the bottoms. Like, should I wear a white skirt? Is that the move? I kind of like the white. What do we think about this? Okay guys, I think this is pretty cute. I like it. I'll probably go with this. And honestly, I'm not really like a cutesy vibe, but I feel like this market thingy is very cutesy. So I kind of want to match this. Wait, actually, there's this one shirt from YesStyle. Like, you see what I mean? Wait, I feel like it's gonna be so cute. This halter neck. Okay, low-key, this might be the vibe. I already decided to go with this one, so let's just continue. And for the back, I'm gonna use a Teddy Blake back purse to match my shoes. I feel like that would be nice. I didn't want more color because the blue is enough and the white is like brightening enough. I need something to like kind of kill this and balance it out. So this is my limit for today. Oh yes, whatever I could fit in here, I could buy. I'll probably take some lipsticks. Hair tie. Oh my gosh, I was looking for this hard drive the whole day and it was here. This is why you need to clean. Oh my gosh. Guys, my friend came already, so I gotta leave soon, but anyways, I've been using this bag for a while now and I love it. It like really upgrades, put your outfit to another level if you want to be a little bit more luxury and put together. I used to be all about streetwear, guys, and I feel like this does a great job in that kind of transition. Like, this could go casual but also formal at the same time, and they're having their 10th anniversary this year. Congrats to them. So they're having a 35% off on certain dates. I'll leave it down below somewhere here as well. So go ahead, check their bag out. Personally, I love this style. So if you want to check out this style, they have the furry one, like a velvet one. So cute. But that's kind of like too much for me. I don't have outfits that could go well with that. But if you could pull that off, I would totally recommend that one for you. Yeah, go ahead, enjoy your shopping. And I'm gonna enjoy my shopping at the market today with my friend right now. I hope this volume is good. Oh, please. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so ready to go. Go with the heart necklace and gold to match the gold right here. I'm feeling Versace today. 이거? It's hair mist. Let me put hair mist as well. Do you want to put it on?
It's like on top of your perfume.
No, it's like only for hair. Do you like this?
It's like coconutty.
Yeah?
I like it.
It's more fruity. Anyways, I'm ready to go now. I'll see you guys next time with my new hair. Bye!